Let's learn the locomotion. It's choreographed by Thompson, Szymanski, and Rita Thompson. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the locomotion. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a rocking chair. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto our left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat that with our left foot. So we're going to do a left rocking chair, rocking forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward on your right. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now for both of those sections, if you would like to make it a little bit easier, you can replace the coaster step with a triple in place. So when we do it with the right, it would be right, left, right. And when you do it with the left, it would be left, right, left. And instead of going back, you'll just stay in your spot. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and then a grapevine quarter turn to the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left, staying at this wall. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left, and then you're ready to start all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Grapevine to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts, weights on your left, starting with your right rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, right coaster, step, left forward rock, left back rock, left forward rock, and your left coaster step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine, quarter turn to the left, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. There are no tags or restarts, so you just dance through until the end of the song. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your right rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, right coaster step. Left, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, left coaster step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn with a touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Now you're rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair right forward, recover right back, recover right forward, recover right coaster step. Left forward, recover left back, recover left forward, recover left coaster step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn with a touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Now you're rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the locomotion. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.